Of course, Joy.
How do you know my name?
From your blog. You know what? I'm one of your excited followers.
Hey, look, if you don't stop the car right now, I'm gonna jump out.
Okay, go ahead. But you're the one who's getting hurt. Not me.
Nagpapot ka nung hangin, ibigay mo nito.
Okay, okay. Fine. Enough jokes. I mean, I just don't want to see a story of this.
Ayun, kinunan niya.
So,
May daan na naman ba?
Diego,
Okay, o sige.
Ayan naman yan na hangin. Oh.
just trust me.
Alright.
Pwede niyo po mag-visit po, please?
Business partner ko si Matias. We provide tracking services for his textile business. May pagka-anti-social na si Matias, kaya hindi ko siya ma-invite sa mga social gatherings.
Da.
Pasensya ka lang, Mr. Rizzo. Hindi naman talaga kita babalik. Tinatakot lang.
Merisi. Ang sabi ko ng Merisi.
Just call me Andrew. And I'm sorry rin kung pinaghinalaan kita. I'm just overprotective when it comes to my family. Especially after sa nangyari sa amin.
I understand, Andrew. Pero wala ka nang ikakatakot now that you're under my protection. Wala nang mananakit sa kahit sino sa inyo.
Stop the car and I'll just let that stop.
Take it all away.
No, I won't. I promise. I listen to you. Besides, you saved me from the bad guys.
You promise?
I promise.
Okay then.
Gusto mo maghiga? Napapagod na si Wong. Parang saan magpunta si Wong nga. Nag-uway yan si Wong.
Dali.
My name is Jinho. Lee Jinho. And I'm from...
Dali.
Ano ba si Mora? Papalala ako ng sundan. Oh, stop her! Hey, stop! Stop!
Ano na tayo? Ligpit na tayo guys. Kaya itulog na ata. Tira ko mga Junaki.